Sealed Air brand Instapak Quick RT on-demand foam packaging is a versatile solution to protect products from damage. Here's a guide on how to use this solution. Before beginning, make sure to read the instruction manual. Always wear safety glasses with side shields while activating Instapak Quick RT packaging. Select the appropriate size Instapak Quick RT foam bag. Open the plastic bag around the foam bag. Unfold the Instapak bag completely on a flat surface. To activate, press firmly on the A symbol near the lower left corner of the bag to break the seal. You will hear a small pop when this happens. Next, firmly pat back and forth from A to B symbols 10 to 20 times on each side to mix the components. You will hear another pop as the foam expands into the bag. Quickly place the expanding bag of foam into the box. Carefully place and hold your product onto the bag and allow the foam to rise. Next, activate a second Instapak Quick RT foam bag following the same steps. Place that bag over the product. Then, close and seal the box.